is junky in here. What harness? Oh, what happened?
A rat.
A rat? So it was rats living in here?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the one you had the electrical problem.
That's the one Jaden had the electrical problem.
So you gonna?
Well, then I got it.
They committed?
Yeah, they took it in on trade. Let's see how committed they are.
Look at this. Oh, yeah, I remember the junkie wrangling. Some rats got in here. How you know it's rats? There's a sign of rats? Where is it at? Oh my goodness. We committed. He gonna be here for another hour, y'all. Alright, let me go see this concert. Man.
Yeah, that's what you're saying.
They don't want to send us to the detail? Oh, what happened there?
That's what a rat ate through.
Oh, what that rat looking for? That's food, that's tasty.
Boy, they had to get out.
Center consoles are tasty.
He was trying to
How a rat get inside a car?
He chewed up through the right here.
If your what? Oh, the rat came through the hole from outside.
Ate this.
Ate that.
And then tried to get out both sides.
Oh my goodness.
On one side, ate another.
So wire harness tastes pretty good to a rat.
Tasty as beef. Do you know a wire harness is made out of soy?
Soy? The stuff we put on Chinese food?
No, the stuff they make tofu out of.
Oh wow.